How to hide status bar on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Settings allow you to customize, control, and secure your devices. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on the Accessibility option. Here, scroll all the way down and tap on Per App Settings. Then, tap on Add App to choose an application to customize from the list. From the list of apps, find and select Home Screen and App Library. Now, tap on the newly added Home Screen and App Library option to view its settings. On this page, scroll down and tap on the Smart Invert option. From the menu that appears, simply select the On option. Following these steps, you can easily hide the status bar on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.